Are you struggling to launch Black Myth Wukong on Steam? You're not alone. Many players are facing this frustrating issue. But don't worry, today I'll guide you through some effective solutions to get you back in the game. First, let's make sure your game files are intact. Sometimes corrupt files can prevent the game from launching. Here's how to verify them. Open your Steam library, right-click on Black Myth Wukong and select Properties. Navigate to the Local Files tab. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This process will automatically check and repair any broken files. It usually takes just a few minutes. If verifying the files does not work, try running the game as an administrator. Locate the game's executable file in this installation folder. Right-click on and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box for Run this program as an administrator. Click Apply, then OK, and try launching the game again. Next, ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Black Myth Wukong. If your hardware is lacking, it could lead to launch failures or crashes. Sometimes clearing Steam's download cache can resolve launch issues. Open Steam and click on Steam in the top left corner. Select Settings, then go to the Download section. Click on Clear Download Cache at the bottom and confirm. If you're still having trouble, try launching the game with DirectX 11. Right-click on Black Myth Wukong in your library and select Properties. Under Launch Options, add DX11 and save it. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the launching issues with Black Myth Wukong and dive into this exciting adventure inspired by Journey to the West. If one solution doesn't work, don't hesitate to move on the next until you find what works for you. Happy gaming, and may your journey through this beautifully crafted world be epic.